Alright, so I received an email from Video PH and it would say, "Oh, dear customer, you have acquired from Toyota, blah 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 blah." And they said Video PH. Pero yung email, opengrouptoyota.com. Ano ba talaga? Video ka o Toyota? Well, illegal. Sabi nila Video Mobile Service. Video sila pero ang ending ng email nila, Open Group Toyota, they scammer sila. Hindi sila from BDO. Open Group Toyota, blah 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 blah. And isa pang malupit nito, wala akong BDO account. So how? So ingat lang po tayo sa mga scam. Tapos okay, sige. Hindi naman siya link, so we try to email them. And then ito sinabi. Okay, meron po kasi nag-send ng 15.5 dun po sa kay Michael Lopez. Just click to cancel here. Siyempre, alam natin may mga link minsan na tawag niya. Phishing. So, para lang kunin yung account mo. So, we won't do that. Actually, I was about to, yung nga sabi ko lang, scam ka eh. But I reported na lang sa video. And still waiting yung response nila. So, yun lang. Ingat lang tayo. Huwag kayo magpupush ng link. I think hindi rin dapat ako nag-reply. But, yun na lang. Ingat na lang talaga. This is another scam. Kasi sabi video, tapos bakit hindi video yung that's weird. So, yun lang naman.